And what we've done now is, at my website, which is the only place you can get them, is we stream the videos. And what we've added, which we had in some of the DVDs, was what they call the workout mode, where you can just ignore my instructions and just do the exercises, the demonstrations, straight through, which is what people want to do after a while. They don't want to hear me saying it over and over and over. So this is added, and this has been added to the streaming videos. And just yesterday, somebody in South Africa, you know, people order these all over the world because they can stream. And that's the good thing about streaming, you know, because everybody's always doing this all the time. So you might as well be learning your ballet lesson while you're doing that. And now with the streaming and the workout mode, it's even better for them. And I think every day there's somebody new from some different part of the world, you know, from Asia, from Europe, South America, and of course all over America as well.